So in terms of feeling lonely at university, it's quite common. It's more common than what you think. And being comfortable in your room and staying in your room, and sometimes you just don't feel like socializing, and it's normal. But I really recommend you get out there, just be friendly to as many people as you can.
This university is big, the campus is huge, which means there are people all around you all the time, and yet you can still feel alone or a little bit sad, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. There would be something wrong with not doing anything about it, though. There's so many different opportunities to make sure you don't feel that lonely. Joining a society, joining a club, but also speaking to your friends who might actually, without you knowing, might be feeling the same thing. So don't be afraid to say, I'm having a down day, I actually don't feel so good.
So I'm sure there'll be one person that you'll be able to meet here at Warwick that you can count on for a phone call at 3 in the morning if you're feeling lonely. The thing that I'd say is if you're feeling lonely, just make sure you speak out to people, because you don't want to be lonely on your own, because that will just reinforce it.
It would be natural for anyone to feel lonely sometimes at uni, especially more so if it's their first time being away from home.
There are loads of people you can talk to on campus, professional people or your personal tutor or a lecturer you like and trust. They're open to that, they're here for you, and I think that's something that's pretty great.